Hi friends, you are watching Tvlog Misterumair on Toplinc TV। फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो में आप देखेंगे यूनिटी हाउस का मार्च पास्ट। सो लेट्स वॉच।
Today we have the march past of Unity House, and in this Unity House we have all the classes 6, 7, 8 and 9 metric classes, and Shahbaz is leading the march past in Unity House. All the students are standing in a proper way and a proper drill order. All the students are walking in a very disciplined manner, left, right, way.
फ्रेंड्स, आप इससे पहले की वीडियो लाजमी देखिएगा जिसमें हमने आपको दिखाया था मार्च पास्ट से पहले की तैयारियां।
All the students are standing over here in the right way. And Mr. Shahbaz is leading the Unity House, the head boy of metric class. Shahbaz is leading the flag, and all the students are leading over in a left-right way. All the students are following the discipline. All the classes 6, 7, 8 and 9 classes, metric classes. So this is the leading role of march past. All the students are performing very well. Good boys. All the students are
सो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज द वीडियो एंड नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम देखेंगे फेथ हाउस का मार्च पास्ट। टिल देन जस्ट वेट एंड वॉच। सो फ्रेंड्स, you are watching Toplinc TV. Like and share this video. Give your comments. Subscribe my channel with the hitting of bell icon. In the last, thanks for watching and bye bye.